Hey guys, it's Sarah at the Fit Cookie, and I wanted to show you guys a couple new products that I've been trying lately. So Silk just came out with brand new half and half, dairy-free half and half, and dairy-free heavy cream. So this one is kind of what I'm going to focus on in this video a little bit more. This one says it'll whip into whipped cream, so I'm going to try that out. But this one is a little less thick than the whipping cream in there, so they're kind of like the dairy half and half and dairy heavy whipping cream. So this one's real thick, this one's not quite as thick. I've used this as a coffee creamer, and I've used it in soups and different things like that, and it's pretty good. There's no sugar in either of them, so they're not sweetened, so that makes it really nice. You can add it into savory recipes and it's not going to add sweetness to your recipes. So I'm going to try whipping this and do a video and see how this whips up. Some people say it doesn't whip up into whipped cream, so we'll give it a try and see how it goes. So I'll kind of show you on the spoon. That made whipped cream with that Silk heavy whipping cream. So I would probably recommend making sure that this is completely chilled before you do this, which mine is completely chilled. And because it has a lot of coconut, it has some coconut oil in it. So you'll want to make sure that this is chilled completely in order to get a good whip. Coconut products probably aren't going to whip up really well if they're not nice and cold. So this one whipped up really well. It made whipped cream. I was kind of surprised. I'd heard some people say that it doesn't, but it actually makes whipped cream. So this is a really nice alternative to buying whipped cream when we are out. So there you go, whipped cream, dairy-free whipped cream.